In the Ice Age, Europe ruled by silence, alongside giant mammoths and rhinoceroses, there was another ruler. It was larger and stronger than today's lions, yet quieter. It was Panthera spelaea, the cave lion, a legendary predator born in the shadow of cold winds. Panthera spelaea emerged around 300,000 years ago and went extinct about 10,000 years ago. Based on genetic and skeletal analyses, this species was a close relative of modern African lions, but was larger, more muscular, and had thicker fur. It lived mainly in the northern regions of Europe and Asia, including Germany, France, Siberia, England, and the Caucasus. Their bones and images appear in cave paintings of Ice Age humans. The 32,000-year-old depictions in France's Chauvet Cave show that this animal was both feared and revered. The harsh climate of the Ice Age shaped the cave lion's adaptability. They lived in wide tundra savanna regions, forest edges, and areas near caves. Their main prey included young mammoths, large antlered deer, horses, bison, and sometimes even cave bears. Although their social behavior is not fully understood, some evidence suggests they hunted alone. Interactions between cave lions and Homo sapiens occurred in both cultural and physical encounters. Some cave paintings show these lions being hunted, while others depict them as divine beings. Humans used their skin and bones, and it is believed they sometimes served as totemic symbols. Researchers associate the special arrangement of some skulls with ritual practices. The Panthera spelaea went extinct about 10,000 years ago, at the end of the last Ice Age. Main causes: climate change and glacial retreat, disappearance of key prey, human pressure and settlement, and reduced genetic diversity. All these factors reinforced each other, silencing this majestic predator. Today, thanks to fossils and mummified bodies found in Siberia and Europe, the genetic material of cave lions is being studied. Some scientists are even exploring the possibility of cloning them. The fully preserved cub specimens discovered in Siberian permafrost in 2015 have further clarified our understanding of this animal. These findings also raise new questions about restoring ancient ecosystems. Panthera spelaea reminds us not only of the wildness of the past, but also the changeability of nature. Like every living being, it could not withstand climate, time, and humanity. Today, we hear its voice only in silence. But let us not forget, those who do not learn from the past cannot protect the future. Thank you for watching. If fate allows, we'll meet again in another video.